Hello children, today I am going to teach how to do flower bouquet. Materials needs are golden string, stockings, green tape, pollens, tools, scissors, cotton, thread and cover. Take the golden string, 12 strings. You can take one string now. This one is long. You have to fold it into 3 equal. Like this you can take equal. Okay. Like this you can cut it. Next you can cut this strings more. Okay. Take the waist refill and string. You have to keep it like this and rotate tightly. Like this fully you have to complete this string. After this you can remove the refill. Like this you can do more children. Like this you can do. After this you can take the string and straight like this, straighting. Okay. After this you can fold it, bend it like this equal, and like this you can twist it tightly. Like this you can twist it. Okay. Like this you can do this more like this. After complete this, you can take the stockings. Like this you can take the cloth and like this you can do. After this you can keep your, in this end you have to keep it like this, and like this you can tightly have to take all the cloths in this down. Okay, tightly. See this, the net is very clear now. See. After this you can take the thread and tightly have to rotate tightly. After this you can put the, like this cross X, you can insert and put the knot. Okay, it is very easy. Okay, see this, like this you can put 2 knots. After you can cut this extra excess cloth and all, you have to cut it. See, like this you can cut this. The petal ready. Like this you can take white color, same like this you can make it flower. After this you can cut it. Like this you can do more children. You can take the string and cotton You have to fold it, bend it like this. In this center, you can take cotton or tissue paper. In this middle, you have to keep it. And tie it. In this string, you have to tie it. In this cotton, no, in this middle, like this you can do it. After finish this, in white flower you have to make it orange. Orange flower you have to make it white. You have to keep it like this. In this middle, same like this you have to tie it. Okay, see, like this you can tie it. After complete this, you complete this white, no? White flower, you have to keep it in this middle. Like this you can tie it tightly. See? Tightly you have to tie it. Like the same, in this orange flower, you have to make it white. Orange flower, white flower, orange inside. After tying, you can take the green tape. This is a flower making tape. The two sides is having glue. See children, in this top you have to rotate. They are having gum, no, it will be very strict, all the sides. You have to complete in this string fully. You have to rotate, tightly you have to rotate. Like this you can complete. Like this you can complete more flower. After complete this more, you have to take the one string, that pollen, no, pollen you have to keep it in this middle tightly. You have to keep it white color flower, white color petal. You have to arrange it first. One by one you have to arrange. Three you have to keep it, no? See, you have to keep it like this flower. You can take the thread and put the knot, tie it tightly. So like this you can tie it. After white, you have to take orange color. One by one you have to arrange it. 1, 2, tightly tie it. take arrange it 3, 4 and 5. You have to arrange it first. After this you have to tie it tightly. See this? Like this you can take all the petals, orange outside, in inner, inside the white will come. Okay, like this you can complete the flower and leaf, 2 leaf in this, and complete this string. The leaf you have to keep it down and tightly have to stick it in this. Fully have to put the green tape. Like this you can complete. Now you have to arrange the bouquet chart paper. You can take the chart paper like this and put the stapler in middle, and you can take the cover. Also you have to cut it. Take the square sheet and you have to cone shape like this. You can stick it. Take the tape and stick. Like this you can stick. See, like this you can stick it. You can keep it this inside. If you need chart paper you can do, otherwise you can do when only cover. Okay, now you have to arrange the flower one by one. You can arrange it. You can arrange this. You can keep 3, no? You have to put tape fully. Like this, one by one, you have to arrange the bouquets. See? Like this. You can arrange it. See, like this. You can put the tape. Arrange it and tightly after. Like this you can do. Like this you can arrange the bouquet. Ready, no? Now you can take the bow. In this middle 2 is there, no? You have to take like this. Easy to do this bow. Okay, now I'm going to put knot, small one knot, and you have to like this you can stick. Like this you can take the tape and stick like this. In this back side, in this chart you have to stick it in this middle flower. Like this you can stick it. After this you can take this in this down. You can take the scissor. Like this you can do this. Now your lily flower bouquet is ready. See this. You can do it like this flower in cover also. You have to do the bouquet. See children, your bouquet is ready. Do like this. You can try more flower and do the bouquet. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.